Birds. In case of birds, occurrence of internal fertilization can be observed. But birds do not give birth to babies directly. Instead, these birds lay eggs. Children, let us now see the process involved in formation of egg in birds. In birds, immediately after the process of fertilization, zygote divides and reaches the oviduct. During the pathway of the travel of the zygote or embryo, many protective layers are formed, and hard shell is the final layer formed. Now, laying of egg is done by the bird. In order to provide warmth to the laid eggs, the adult bird sits on the egg. The chick inside the egg takes place after the complete development, and the egg bursts out with the help of its beak and comes out of its shell. Frogs. In frogs, external fertilization is observed where the fusion of male and female gametes takes place outside the body of the female. This type of fertilization is mostly seen in aquatic organisms like starfish, frog, fish, etc. Frogs exhibit developmental stages after hatching from the eggs. The developmental stages of frog are egg, tadpole or larva, adult. The transformation of tadpole or larva into adult is termed as metamorphosis.